ट्रेड विथ EMI में आपका स्वागत है. Today we are going to show you the chart analysis of Everest Kanto Cylinder Limited. You can see today it has been upper circuited. If you get a chance, you can buy. Before buying, check yourself whether this will up or down. Cross check yourself. Don't just invest. Here I am not responsible for anything, for any loss or any profit. Okay, let's start the analysis. This is just my assumptions. You can see here, this is the 1-day chart. Each candle represents 1 day. Here the signal has been given by the exponential moving averages has been cutted. It's a bullish sign. You can see here there is a resistance. Here is the resistance has been broken in the 1-day chart. Here again there is a resistance that is at 96.57. So now it is 92.25. Tomorrow also it may upper circuit directly, or you may get chance to buy. You can make 4 rupees profit, or this may also break tomorrow if possible. Here the volume also has been increased. And the RSA also increasing to 68, showing above, that is going above RSA. And the MACD has also given the cut upside. You can see here this cut also given. This has a good, here this will be moved up directly. It's going like this in the upper direction. You can see here clearly that it will move up and up. Go to the 15 minutes candle chart. Here you can observe today's here, that is 19. Here the MACD has been given the down cut in the 15 minutes. This may become up again. Here the volume also has been increased and decreased like this, gone. Here the trend here the RSA is at 75. You can go up here. All indicators gave a big signal. You can see here cutover has been taken place, that is crossover. Here has the stock gone upper and upper. Here you can see the direction of the stock. It's going up like this. The trend is up in the 15 minutes. The MACD is going down, and the parabolic SAR is also showing from below. That means below to up. If parabolic SAR is showing above, then it will down. Here it's up. Let's move to the weekly chart. Here is the weekly trend. You can see here clearly the weekly trend of the chart. As the weekly chart, here The resistance is at 90.50. The resistance has been broken here. It may up, and here the volume also increased, and the RSI is rising, and the MACD is going up. These are bullish signs all. Parabolics are also up. In monthly charts, it is going up. You can see here resistance has been broken, the volume has been increasing, RSI also up, MACD up, parabolics are up. Here parabolics are also up. All indicators okay. Here bullish crossover, it's going up and up and up. In monthly chart also the target is 120. You can see for long term the target is 120. Think before trade. Don't just trade blindly that he told or someone told or anyone told. Go and analyze the chart first, and then check whether it will up or down, and check whether you want to buy it or not. So be careful before trading. Think and trade, and you must know basic knowledge where to enter the trade perfectly and where to exit the trade. Thank you.